Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring a somewhat forgotten gem in the herbal realm. Join us as we discuss the wonders of Wood Betony, a plant with a robust historical record of medicinal uses. Before we start, do us a favor by hitting the like button and subscribing for a deep dive into the realm of herbal plants. Native to Europe, Asia, and North Africa, Wood Betony, or Stachys officinalis, is a perennial herb. It belongs to the Lamicaceae family, sharing its roots with mint and sage. Characterized by tall, square stems, pointy leaves, and petite purple flowers, this plant stands as a silent testament to nature's medicinal abundance, especially renowned for its effects on the nervous system and digestive health. Wood Betony has been cited to have hundreds of uses. It has traditionally served as a nerve tonic, renowned for reducing anxiety, stress, and tension headaches. Modern herbalists prescribe Betony to treat anxiety, gallstones, heartburn, high blood pressure, migraine, and neuralgia. It can also be used as an ointment for cuts and sores. It's also been a friend to our digestive systems, easing discomforts such as heartburn, indigestion, and gastritis. With its anti-inflammatory properties, Wood Betony has been used to address respiratory issues like bronchitis, asthma, and sore throats. For those dealing with oral health concerns, the astringent properties of Wood Betony serve as a beneficial rinse for mouth sores and gum disease. Wondering how you can harness the power of Wood Betony? Here's how! Enjoy a calming cup of Wood Betony tea by infusing dried leaves and flowers in hot water, offering stress relief and promoting digestive health. A tincture made from Wood Betony provides a concentrated dosage of the herb's beneficial properties. Historically, reverence for Wood Betony went beyond its physical health benefits. It was believed to have powerful magic and was used for protection against the evil eye and bodily harm, and to bring beautiful and prophetic dreams. It dispels negative energy and eases both internal and external conflicts. All of these properties made it a popular herb in European spiritual practices. Historically, it was carefully planted in churchyards and hung about the neck as an amulet or charm, sanctifying, as Erasmus tells us, those that carried it about them, and being also good against fearful visions and an efficacious means of driving away devils and despair. Emotionally and spiritually, Wood Betony helps to root and ground, and is perfect for those who are spacey and not connected to their body and the earth. Physically and spiritually, Wood Betony has so many uses. Betony is highly rated and frequently used for such diverse complaints as low spirits, poor liver function, urinary tract problems, headaches, circulation weakness, joint pains, and the list goes on. Antonius Musa, chief physician to the Emperor Augustus of ancient Rome, wrote a long treatise on Wood Betony, showing it was a cure for no less than 47 diseases. While more scientific research is needed, preliminary studies suggest that Wood Betony might possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which could substantiate its traditional usage. If you're considering growing Wood Betony, it thrives in well-draining soil and prefers full sun to partial shade. Once established, it's drought-tolerant and a beacon for bees and butterflies, enhancing the aesthetics and ecology of your garden. You will see this plant mostly in spring. Before incorporating Wood Betony into your health regimen, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. Although it's generally safe, pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid this herb due to its potential to stimulate uterine contractions and potentially lower blood pressure. In conclusion, Wood Betony, with its appealing flowers and medicinal properties, offers a wealth of benefits from soothing the nervous system to promoting digestive and respiratory health. The ongoing scientific research continues to uncover the depths of its potential, reaffirming its value in traditional medicine. Are you familiar with the healing wonders of Wood Betony? Do you have any personal experiences with this herb? Don't forget to share your stories in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating deep dives into the world of herbs. Until our next herbal journey, keep exploring the boundless healing potential that nature offers.